Kaligatan Rampage. Away they go. More from the outside. Princess Julian Kaligatan Boats. Pogi. Precious Metal is racing in P. More from the outside. Kaligatan is running by the rail. And on the outside, moving up by the rail is Boss Pogi, Princess Julian. Racing on the outside, Precious Metal has it coming, running in 6-7, belongs to Go Billis. Balu Baran Sprite, then comes Rampage Kiri, Kada Milagros, Rosy Eyes, Winning Habit. And entry number 10 is running at the tail of the group, Extreme Connection. Kaligatan Mo is on the outside, Princess Julian, as they race the final corner. Kaligatan Mo is on the outside, Princess Julian, Boss Pogi, Precious Metal, as they race the last 200. Kaligatan on the outside, Princess Julian, Mo in the middle, Precious Metal, Boss Pogi, and moving up is Rampage. Mo, Princess Julian, and Kaligatan. Mo, Princess Julian, and Precious Metal. And finally, it's going to be close between Mo, Princess Julian, Precious Metal, Kaligatan, Winning Habit, and for your Super 6 Rampage.